Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F43. So what is this and how can we get rid of it? So first of all, hopefully you're not getting this because it's kind of a rare and strange error. So basically it means that the internal computer and the type of the machine, there's some kind of disconnect there, that either the control board doesn't recognize it hasn't been programmed in what type of machine it is, or there's some kind of what it thinks it is, it's not lining up with what's there. So you're almost certainly going to need to have a technician come and figure out what's going on and why you're getting this. But one of the things you can do when you're getting these kind of weird electronic errors before you call and pay the money and everything for someone to come fix it, is to try to do a hard restart on the machine and see if that clears out the error. So to do a hard restart, all we need to do is come in, turn our dryer off, then we're going to disconnect it from power completely. So we want to either unplug it from the wall, or if it's hardwired, we can just turn it off at the circuit breaker. Once we've done that, we're going to want to leave it off for a full minute, and after that minute we can plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if that doesn't clear the error out. And again, with this error, if that doesn't clear it out, you're going to need to call a technician, but hopefully that'll clear it out. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.